Why would you want to partner with other businesses? Okay, so, well, number one, the person that you're talking to might end up being your client. They might need the product or service that you have, right? It's also, I believe, like a captive audience. Okay, so let's say that you want to make friends with a coffee shop owner. Okay, so maybe you frequent the coffee shop, and one day you're just like, "Hey, I'd love to know who owns this joint," right? That's how I talk. I'm sure you talk differently than me. So then you ask to speak with the owner. You tell them how fabulous everything is. You tell them that you're also a small business owner and you'd love to know, how could we partner together? So an example for that could be, maybe they have pastries, okay? And you could say, well, I have a group of people I want to get together for a networking event. Could I rent the room that you have in the back, and I will buy whatever amount of pastries? Could we do that once a month? And then they might say yes. Or you could say, like, hey, if I brought 10 people here every Tuesday and I purchased whatever, a tray of baked goods, could I use that room for free? Right? So you're partnering together because they're thinking, wow, you're going to bring 10 prospective customers for me every week. Okay, so maybe you start off small like that, and then you might ask them, well, hey, do you think I could put a sign here with a QR code that tells people that we're having this networking event, right? So maybe it could be something like, hey, have you ever wanted to try out these pastries and you're a business owner? Hey, come on Tuesdays, register here. So you're just going to help them to bring more and more people into their restaurant. How does that help you? Well, if you're facilitating networking event and you're trying to get new clients, it is a win-win for each person, right? Okay, so that's one thing that you can do. The other thing is, maybe that person that you're talking to is not your ideal client, okay? They do not have the problem that you sell the solution for. But could they, yes or no, tell me in the comments, could they possibly know someone, right, that could have the problem and you have a solution for? Maybe you sell essential oils, or maybe you sell weight loss, or maybe you're a sales strategist, right? Maybe you sell makeup, maybe you have a networking group, maybe you're an author. Do you think that that person might know at least one person that could be your potential client? Mary's like, yes, they could. Yes, of course. Okay.